Dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, I want you to go to your Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to the highlights, which are here at May Add Yours. Click on that and then tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. Then from here you will have to choose some photos from May. So for that you will have to go here, and here you will find your gallery and you can choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want, and after that you will have to add another photo. So you can add as many as you like. So for that you will have to click add stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down, click on photo from here, and it will get you once again to your gallery and you can choose your second photo. But I will leave it just like that for the moment. I'll post it like this, just with one photo. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below for if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.